Hi guys, okay, so today I'm going to show you how to cut up a pallet the easiest way, and how to get, you want the nails in the front for the rustic look, the heads of the nails, but you don't want them sticking out the back. You want them to be flush with the wood like this. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and I also wanted to show you I've got two different pallets that I worked with. This one clearly sat outside all year long and it got weathered, whereas this one I kept inside. And the reason I do that is because I like to get different finishes on the wood when I stain them, and this color variation gives me some really cool projects to work with as far as stains and painting. So this is going to be the final thing that we come up with today, and I'm going to show you how to get these beautiful rustic pallets. You can make bookshelves out of them, wine shelves. So with your 12-inch blade, you want to get right in that seam between the
start of the climb, faced with an army of vipers and lions. I had to keep on reaching up, cause it was my time to tear down the kingdom, call out the liars. Got a jail on my heart from the pessimist, got those nails in my mouth for impressionists. Spent too much money on a therapist, it couldn't fix me, I accepted it. Gladiator, 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 pick to fight with the gods, I'm the giant slayer, bone shaker, dominator, freight train, wrecking ball, I'm the gladiator. Tell me what it is that you think you believe, caught in a crossfire, trouble at sea. Every single day I feel that gold underneath, I see the locked doors, but I got the key. I'ma give you a second just to catch your breath, cause I can see that your heart is jumping out your chest.